Hey there, polymer enthusiasts. Have you heard about the game-changing polymer that's set to revolutionize industries? Well, I'm talking about polyketones. These high-performance engineering polymers are renowned for their exceptional strength, durability, and versatility. Composed primarily of carbon monoxide, ethylene, and propylene monomers, polyketones exhibit outstanding mechanical properties. We're talking high tensile strength, excellent impact resistance, and remarkable wear and friction characteristics. Their superior thermal stability and chemical resistance make them ideal for demanding applications across various industries. In the automotive sector, polyketones are used in fuel system components and under-the-hood parts thanks to their ability to withstand harsh environments. The electrical and electronics industries leverage polyketones for reliable connectors and insulating materials. But that's not all. Their robust nature also benefits consumer goods, sporting equipment, and industrial machinery. Additionally, polyketones offer excellent barrier properties, making them perfect for chemical processing equipment and piping systems. So why should you not miss this expert-led online training on polyketones? Let me break it down for you. First, you'll master cutting-edge knowledge, understand the chemistry, synthesis, and latest advancements in polyketone technology. Second, enhance your formulation and processing skills. Learn optimized processing methods and effective troubleshooting strategies to improve product quality. Third, expand your applications and innovation. Discover diverse applications and innovative formulation strategies to develop high-performance polymer solutions. Fourth, foster sustainability and compliance. Create sustainable, compliant polymer products by understanding environmental aspects and regulatory standards. And lastly, boost product performance and competitiveness. Tailor polyketone properties to achieve enhanced mechanical, thermal, and chemical performance, gaining a market advantage. Who should attend this training? This is highly recommended for chemical industry professionals engaged in diverse application and formulation areas, specifically R&D chemists, formulators, new product developers, technical service managers, lab managers, and product managers. During this training, we'll cover fascinating topics. So we'll start by breaking down their chemical structure and how they're made. Then we'll explore their physical and mechanical properties, like how strong they are and how they handle heat. Next, we'll talk about different ways to process polyketones, from extruding them to molding them into shapes. We'll also discuss how to blend them with other materials and reinforce them for specific applications. Moving on, we'll explore where polyketones are used in industries today and how to troubleshoot any problems that might arise during processing. We'll also touch on the environmental impact of using polyketones and the exciting advancements that are happening in this field. And yes, we'll have case studies and a Q&A session too, so don't miss out. Join this training and take your polymer formulation expertise to next level with polyketones. Your journey to mastering this incredible polymer starts now. To register, click on the link in the description or visit OnlyTRAININGS.com now.